Hello guys, here we have the new turntable TT-4 special edition from Argon Audio.
Taking it inside the box, so we see the cover here for the dust, essential part of every turntable. This has a tint, it's not totally transparent. And then we see the mat, elastic mat, the power supply, which is external. Here is the cable, it comes with a cable, RCA cable. And here is the, let's take it this one, this is the grounding cable. So from the other side, we have some parts as well. We can discover them by removing the turntable from the box. Underneath here is the platter. So let's remove the box. Here we have the turntable on the sides. As you can see guys, here on the sides, we can see there is a head cell with the cartridge. Here we have the bronze orthophone cartridge. Then we have the counterweight for the tone arm. This is the hinge for the cover, you know. On the other side we have the other hinge and the adapter for 45. Here is the platter. Has a special damping material underneath. This is elastic damping. And the other side is black because the finish of the turntable is black. And if we knock the turntable, it's like totally dead, acoustically totally dead. Here's the elastic mat that we put on the platter, like this. As we said, the platter has the same, almost like the mat, elastic damping underneath. So here we are with the turntable here. We're ready to install the platter and the belt and the cartridge. So it's very nice packed and very nice protected with all this material. You can save them for later use if we like to pack it again or resell it or store it. So very nice, as you can see, black, looks very good. Argon Audio TT-4 special edition, guys. This is it. We can see the special edition inscription there. We can see the shaft. The motor have a special treatment according to Argon Audio somewhere here. So to perform better than the previous one, than the regular TT-4. So we put the counterweight adjustment here. Has anti-skating, as you can see. We installed the platter as well on the turntable. This is a beautiful turntable. And the belt is already pre-installed. You can feel it here. There is the belt, yes. We have the belt here. It's pre-installed. And we found the motor, and that's it. You can see it here, the motor and the belt. And then we put the mat. It's about time to install the cartridge, which is, it comes with a turntable, pre-installed here. It's a bronze. It's a beauty, guys, this cartridge. It's not, it's expensive as well. It's a moving magnet, and you can replace it after some years if you like it, for a better sound. 2M line up from orthophone, bronze orthophone, you see. From here we can turn on the turntable and select 45 or 33 RPMs. So we plug the cover. So the turntable is ready for use. Glossy finish that it has. The special edition logo here, the beautiful platter, the cover, cartridge here, the bronze one that is, you can put the black one. Orthophone has a black one, so if you like everything in black, you can get the black 2M cartridge, but this one is excellent one. So we can release the tone arm from here. On the back we have the grounding. We can put the cable, it comes within the box. RCA cable outputs, which are cables are included in the box, the interconnect I mean, RIAA on-off if we like to engage the built-in phone stage or not, DC 12 volt input and the mechanical on-off button. So here we can see the pads that the turntable has underneath in order to absorb the vibrations with some elastic underneath, very nice design. So these are metallic, they're called, metal, and then there is elastic inside. So underneath the turntable looks very nice. The base, the plinth is very thick, as you can see from here. Here is the motor. Here we have electronics to speed selector and speed controlling. So it has a built-in phone stage. Somewhere here is the phone stage. So in order to have better, of course, performance, don't use the built-in phone stage, even though it's very good. But if you like the ultimate performance of this product, use an external phone stage. Here on this disc, two white plastic screws, you can adjust the speed in 33 and 45 RPMs. As we said, here is the motor. Here's the underneath of the axis, underneath the cables. Speed selector in front, on off, and speed selector goes all the way here. And here's the underneath of the tone arm. We can see these fine cables that are going to the phone stage here, or they're going out to the RCAs. The product has this metal surface underneath that protects and isolates this compartment of the most sensitive one, where the low level signals are. So this is a good idea, a good touch, the cover to cover it like this and to have a complete turntable, and then you can screw here in the feet. Everything is very well designed for the price and for this category, let's say, this level of turntable. That means Argon provides in the market very reliable and very high performance turntable. If you don't like this one, or if you find this is too small for you, you can upgrade this and use a better one to have higher performance. This is 12 volts, as you can see, half ampere. So if you upgrade this, already you will have better sound in any turntable, not just in the Argon one. So everything is ready. We remove the cover from the cartridge. We put a black disc. What else? A black disc on a black turntable. Then we start 33 RPMs from the selector here, which has an LED indicator. Actually, there are two LEDs, one on the knob and the other underneath here, so it says it's off. And we just release the tone arm from here. Business as usual, guys. It's a turntable and the music is starting. So we can have a look on the tone arm. Company says there is a slot somewhere here that reduces the resonances of the tone arm, and this is the key technology for this Argon Special Edition, that it's better than the previous one, that the regular TT-4 turntable. Adjust here VTA probably. We can adjust the anti-skating from here. Thick plinth, thick feet, thick platter.
Top implemented turntable. Thanks for watching.